Good morning. Up early, super early this morning. Well, I'm always up this early, but I'm never doing anything. I'm normally trying to wake up. But I'm getting a lift to work with the wife because she needs the car. She's taking the boy swimming. So I'm going to get up even earlier and go for my walk. So that's what I'm doing now. Get my Help for Heroes walk out of the way. And then I'm just going to be heading straight to the yard. So I'll check back in with you probably either when I'm at the yard or on the way to it. Right, made it to work. Just boss man is dropping off his lorry, the grapple saw, off to a commercial vehicle repair place, and I'm just picking him up. So just waiting for him to come here so I can see him back. We have caffeine, so yeah, it's gonna be a good day. See you at the job site. It's a mountaineering for today's job.
Fairly much straight down the road though. Kind of coffee wafting down from someone.
They did make good coffee when we're here. Okay. Jesus.
Ideally one to spin it round to the head facing like that. I really know why this guy spent so much money on this fucking boat.
Yeah, this far down anyway. You get that one down, hoist it, straight line down the hill there, hopefully up to the road, and find the other one and do the same. Right, made it to tree number 2. Just got a pretty tiny one, so we're not going to winch it. You can hear the saws going in the background. Hopefully I'll get back there to film something interesting, but just going to cut this one up and carry it over. Yeah, same, these miles don't count towards my Help for Heroes challenge because they are way more brutal than walking in a straight line with a heavy weight. But anyway, let's get to it. I got it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Right. I weigh like not as much as that.
That's why you've added friction with.
Got good friction, haven't you? Yeah.
Be careful.
It's not exactly free falling at the moment.
Quick, get out of the way, Josh.
Over that way a bit.
Me.
Well, I don't know if you can really go to
Want to readjust it. Once it's past there, we want to put it on the tip, surely.
that.
Once it's past there, we put it on the tip, surely, or do you want to retie it now?
But I think because it's so long, we'd have to lift it from the middle to get it in the air. What I was thinking.
You think? You don't think lift the front end so it goes up, lower it on your side so it goes onto Jack's side over the edge?
Yeah, oh, we could lower it on that rope. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, fair play, yeah. Should we just move it now?
Yep. Has Jack got adequate friction up there?
That's what I don't know, that's the question mark, isn't it? Just got wrapped around the tree.
Yeah, you'll be fine, won't you, Jack?
I don't know.
No, you'll be fine. Just do not
All
let
wrapped,
go.
I think there's not actually falling, it should be plenty enough to be honest.
Yeah.
Good?
No. I can't get it far on there, but it's on. Yep. Do you think we can get it under slightly further now? Just so then, or we can kind of wiggle it off the edge. What we could do is just,
Not going to go without a bit
well,
of
I think you've got that.
Oh, maybe, right, well,
I think maybe,
I'll
do you
loosen it off and see if we can
want to
move it
loosen
down.
this off and then put that on the back end as well, so you've got like another capstan?
Yeah.
And I could just take it off the pulley here.
That might be quite useful to have it on there. Let's see if we can wiggle it. See how, I don't
Yeah.
know how much it's going to go.
Well, obviously, bearing in mind it's just going to come flying along the capstan. So do we want someone on there?
Take it off altogether for a minute and we'll
Yeah.
see. We maybe put it back on in a minute. I feel like we can probably,
Loosen it.
we might be able to wiggle it through a bit. It's a bit of downhill, a little flat please Jack. Feed it through.
Yeah, just keep it slack, but be ready on it.
Keep it flat but not by much.
Back and forth. Almost want to teeter it. Yeah, that's the one. It's getting lower. That's an interesting one, isn't it?
More slack.
If you let us do it and you feed in the slack.
More slack.
Yeah. Alright, it's coming. Oh shit, you chucked a big fuck off piece down there already.
Do we think we're better off to put this?
Want to put it back on now? We use that as a...
Maybe put this in the pulley or something so that we can. Basically, I don't want it scraping the shit out of his back.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to avoid.
Yeah, we could do that.
Give him another pair of hands in.
Be careful. You might be riding that to your demise.
Don't fucking
The other
do
thing
me
to
a
do is maybe
favour.
Go and get the digger off anyway and
What, you don't want this there no more, no?
No, I think take it out the way for now, just so it doesn't hook on.
Why don't you run down the ladder, Josh, and get the digger? Basically, when it comes down within your reach, just lift it away from the bank. So, that
So actually, we've got quite a bit of slack in it now, so we want Jack to go super tight.
well, yeah, that's it. You'll be right. Tighten it back up, Jack.
And we could basically pull in the tension for him as we're actually pulling it down the hill.
It'll be suddenly it's going to come on.
Yeah. Well, hold on. Are you tight, yeah?
You ready?
Yeah.
Richard's got a full wrap down the fucking
Oh, I also told him to back himself onto another tree. Are you out of the way, Josh?
You ready, Jack? Here it comes.
Going. Nice. That's touching the ground. Yeah, keep lowering. Yeah, perfect. Keep going. Keep going. All the way down till it feels like it stopped. Oh shit. Fuck me.
Push.
It stopped.
Okay.
Oh my god. I think I'd be down there. Right, slack.
Back, please, Jack.
Just the log spinning for a second. Alright, cool, it's stopped. Oh, it's not stopped. Hold on. I just want to make sure this is going to finish rolling. Let me put something underneath it. There's nothing I can put underneath it. Yeah.
Josh, come and grab it. You could probably get that. Once you put the next one up, you get the trailer unhooked, bro,
Yep.
and roll it up to the chipper.
Yep. Oh yeah.
The gear on it needs coming off as well.
So you want to take the trailer and all the kit off, and then bring that as tight as we can to that one so Josh can grab it.
Do you lift the end up at all or not? Do you lift the end up at all or not? You can't reach it.
Pull. But not now. Oh, yeah, you hold on to it.
Hold it there, Josh. Hold on. Right, it's on you now, Jack, so just... Well, no, hang on, just wait all together. Let me tell you something, Right, Josh is going to hopefully pull it with the digger whilst you...
Do you want to take the winch off of the actual piece?
Probably, yeah, I think so. I'm not going to do much with it here, and that captain's too dangerous.
Hold up.
I don't know if you'll get it.
Where is it? Oh, up front.
You might get it, or you can get it off the pulley at least and just let the cable go down. But
I'm not going that way then.
you get this off, and then you can just try and ease it down. Obviously, Jack's got it on the rope, so don't go crazy pulling.
I can leave the chain on and take the cable off completely.
That's easier, isn't it? We're looking to obviously try and avoid destroying the bank and don't drop it on his drive. It's not even the customer, is it? So that would be alright. Okay. Yeah.
Flick it over the peg. Yeah, just tight at all times.
Keep it tight. Wait for Josh to pull it, basically. You've got to go down and get on the road where it's going to back the
Oh yeah. Josh, I'll come down. I'll come down and see you back. Only had some tactical gloves. Sorry, tactical gloves. I'm sorry, get a bit of sea jump there in a second. guy's definitely on the ground. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, if you tuck out the way, I'll let the cars pass. Dinghies. And we're done. I know I've still got my helmet on, but we're just packing up. Yeah, nice easy job. Quite a bit of a change, something interesting for once. Yeah, nice day. I'm gonna get changed, get the walk on, and I shall, yeah, done. That's it for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the morning.